Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2005 Hummer H2. We put a 2.5-inch level lift on the front, some 20x12 wheels with a negative 44mm offset, and some 37 by 1350 R20 mud terrain tires. The answer is yes, you will have to trim. It's mostly in the rear of the fender. You're going to need to cut your factory fender flare on the inside. You'll need to cut out your factory inner fender liner, and then also your body weld, your body seam where the fender and the inner body come and meet together. You will need to trim and or fold that over in order to clear these 37s. If you don't mind it rubbing, then you don't have to do the body seam, but it will tear up your tire. So that's all that you have to do, nothing really in the front. It's great how these bumpers are formed. You're quite a bit of ways from here, and even if you were, you could cut it pretty easily. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, go to our website. Maybe we can sell you some. And if you're in the market for a vehicle, like this Hummer, like a truck, like a Jeep, Tahoe, 4Runner, whatever, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find a vehicle already lifted, already built, and you can call up the dealer and buy one today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.